You can use offline activation to activate your network license in case your server or computer doesn't have access to the internet. Find Network License Manager through Start menu on your server. Click Activate License and choose Offline Activation. Enter your activation ID, then enter the number of nodes you want to activate in license quantity. If you have 10 nodes in your network license, you can enter 10 to activate all nodes, or enter a number that is less than 10, for example 2, to activate only 2 nodes. Click Generate to generate the XML file and save it to a USB thumb drive. Copy the link in Step 2, and in your USB thumb drive, create a new test document. Paste the link into this document. Open the browser on your computer and find and copy the link on your USB thumb drive. Go to the link, then choose with Activation ID for login on the left. Copy the activation ID from a XML file on your USB thumb drive, then log in. Select Manage Entitlements in License Portal. Then find Menu Activation. Click Browse to upload the XML file generated from your server. Then click Submit. Click Save to File on the next screen to download the response file. Move the response file to your USB thumb drive so you can move it to the server. Go back to the server. In Step 3, click Browse to attach the response file downloaded from your computer. Then click Activate to activate your network license offline.